Hey guys, what's up? So this is the last and the final part in the CSAT solving papers uh, because I've already covered 2011, 2012 and 2014. I saved this 2013 part for the last because this was the part which I gave myself personally. This is the only CSAT paper I ever gave. So this is very close to my heart. So I solved it in 90 minutes in the exam hall also, less than 90 minutes, and I attempted 75 questions. So this is the part 1, and if you have any doubt and query, you can ask in the comment section in the YouTube as well as in the Facebook. This is the URL of the Facebook page. Do comment because I may not answer it, but I do keep it in mind when I deal with the next video. So I gave this exam on 26th May 2013. I attempted all the 80 questions and I got a score of 183, which is not very bad score. It's okay. It's all right. Anyway, moving forward to the first question. So in this question, it says it's a sequence. You don't need to read anything. Don't read anything. Just follow the sequence and give the answer. So you can see this triangle moving like this easily. So obviously this will reach here in the final position, and this sun is taking a circle, so it will finally reach here. So its answer is B. Very easily you can mark out. There is no problem whatsoever. Similarly, you don't need to read anything. Just see this is going up, down, up, down, up. So it has to be down. So remove this. It has down only. Plus see this is moving like this and this. So it finally becomes, you can see it easily, it will come here. So the answer is C, very easily. There is absolutely no problem. Then we have X man working at constant speed do a certain job in Y days. Which one of the following diagram shows the relation between X and Y? See, days can never be negative. So either man cannot be negative, X cannot be negative. So this is wrong. This is a very reverse kind of graph. As the number of men are increasing, days are increasing. This is also wrong. And this is absolutely absurd because no matter how the number of men are increasing, days remain the same after this. So this is also wrong. This is a perfect example of a graph which is approximately tending to 0, but it will never reach 0. Even if you have, let's say, 1 billion men, the days will be, let's say, 0.00001 day, but it will never be 0. Similarly, even if you have 1 man, it might take you 1000000 day, but it will never tend to be 0. So answer is always such a graph which never reaches 0. So answer is D. In this case, it's a pattern, you have to figure it out. So if you total these 3 plus 7 plus 0 is will be equals to 10, then 2 plus 2 plus 4 will be equals to 10. Similarly, 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 2 is 8, and it is also 8. So you can see these are matching. So here 7 plus 3 is 10, so 1 plus 9 will be equals to 10. So answer is C. Then you have three figures, again specific pattern. You can easily see 12 divided by 84 will be equals to 7. If it multiplied by 2, it will be equal to 14. Similarly, it is 9 into 2, 18. So here it will be 8 into 2, 16. So answer is 16. Very simple question. There is no big logic in it. Now cube questions, there is a one perfect recipe I'll tell you. You'll never forget. I have told in the last part also, but here it goes again. See which part is appearing twice. One, I can see 1 appearing twice, I can see 3 appearing twice, I can see 6 appearing twice. In cube there are 4 adjacent sides and there are 1 opposite side of a number. So in 1 the adjacent sides are 4, 6, 2 and 3. So obviously the opposite side is 5. In case of 3, 5, 6, 1 and 2. So obviously opposite side is 4. And in case of 6, the remaining number is 2, but I can still prove it, that is 5, 3, 1 and 4. So these are the adjacent sides. This is the opposite side of a cube. Now you can easily see which side does not appear near 1. Can you see this? What possible numbers exist on A and B? Since 5 has 1 as opposite, so 1 cannot be there in adjacent faces. So answer remains 2 and 3. Very simple. It could be 4 or 6 also. It could be 4 or 3 also. It could be 6 or 3 also. So these are the pairs which are possible. How many physics professors belong to age group 35 to 44? You just see this graph and you see this graph. So here we have physics professor. How many total are there? So this is 32 males plus 8 females. So total 40 are there, out of which 35 to 44. So 40% of 40 will belong to 35 to 44. So answer is 16. Very easy. Just multiply 4 into 4 divided by 100. So answer is 16. Then which one of the following disciplines has the highest ratio of males to females? So in case of physics it is 32 ratio 8, so it will be equals to 4. In case of maths it is 28 ratio 8, so it is 3.5. In case of chemistry it is less than 1, easily visible. In case of economics it is 24 ratio 8, so it is 3. So these are all the only 4 options, so answer is A, physics. What percentage of all psychology professors are females? See, in this case there are 4 and 6, so total 10 are there, out of which 6 are females because this dotted line shows female. So answer is 60%. Very easy question. If the number of female physics professor in the age group 25 to 34 equals 25% of all the physics groups in that age group. So first find out all the physics group in that age group. So total 40 are there. So in between 35 to 40, 30% are there because of the shaded line. So 30% of 40 will be equals to 30 into 40 divided by 100. So answer is 12. Very easily. Out of this 25% are female. So 25% of 3 are females and 9 are males. So what is the number of male physics professor? Answer is 9. Very easy question. And if the psychology professor constitutes 2% of all the professors in the uni, then what is the number of professors in the university? It's very simple again. 2%, just see what are the total psychology, 10. So 2% of x equals to, where what, 10. So x will be equals to, so it will be 10 divided by 0.02. So answer will be equals to 500. Very simple question. Guys, please don't sleep and wake up. This is the perfect class you will have on CSAT. Do watch the TED talk. It will motivate you a lot. Many people have said that it helped them. So do watch it. So guys, this is another question. In this you can see 2 patterns. So one is square, circle, square, circle, circle, square, circle, square. So obviously after square will come circle. So this square is not the correct answer. And the second pattern you have to see very closely. So pattern 1 is similar to pattern 4, and you can see it here that pattern 2 is pattern equal to pattern 5, and finally you can see that pattern 3 is equals to pattern 6. Is that understood? So after third pattern it is repeating. So the pattern 1 will be equals to pattern 4, will be equals to pattern 7, will be equals to pattern 10. So what is the pattern first? Will be equals to pattern 7. So this is wrong, this is wrong. So answer is D. It is not a very complicated question, so you have to just draw it well. So just this is P and this is Q. So it is connected by boat, it is connected by rail. Very simple. Then S and R leave for a while. Q and T are connected by air. Okay. P and R are connected by boat. Okay. Finally we have, now R is there, so we can connect S also. So S is connected by bus and boat to R, and finally R and T are connected by rail as well as bus. Now see the questions. Which mode of the transport would help one to reach R? Okay, where is R? So here is our R starting from Q. Okay, but without changing the mode of transport. So from boat you can go to boat and you can reach to boat wherever you want to go till R. So answer is boat. Very simple. Now if a person visits each of the places starting from P and get back to P, which of the following places you must visit twice? So you start from P, then you go to Q, then T, then R, then S, then R, then P. So if you go from P to S, you have to visit R twice. So R is the answer. So answer is B. Which one of the following pairs of cities is connected by any of the routes directly without going to any other city? So which of the following pair? First option is P and T. So P and T cannot be connected directly, so it is not. T and S obviously not, they are the farthest cities. And finally Q and R, so again they cannot be reached directly, so answer is none of these. And between which two cities among the pairs of cities given below are there maximum travel options available? So let's say P and R. So P and R is straight away from boat. Why? There is no other option available. You can go by other route, but it doesn't make sense. Then between P and T, again you can go to Q and then to T. So there is no bus in between. So P and T also goes. Now see the options Q and R and Q and S. So by whatever way you reach to R, you can always add bus and boat in it. Is that understood? So Q and R will always be less than Q and S. So answer becomes Q and S. Very, very logical. So answer is Q and S. A tennis coach is trying to put together a team of 4 players. 7 players are available. Males are 3 ABC, females are 4. All have equal capabilities. At least 2 males need to be there. For a team of 4, all players must be able to play. B cannot play with W, C cannot play with Z, W cannot play with Y. So if Y is selected and B is rejected, which one of the following team is there? Okay, Y is selected and B is rejected. Since Y is selected and W cannot play with Y, so W is gone, W is gone. And since C cannot play with Z, so C is also gone. So answer by elimination is B. If B is selected and Y is rejected, since Y is rejected, so D automatically goes. Since B is selected, B cannot play with W. Okay. Now C cannot play with Z, so answer again is C. If all the 3 males are selected, okay, A, B and C are selected, then how many combinations of 4-member teams are possible? See, you will do it wrong because you will think that there are 4 females, so 4 combinations are available, but you should remember that B is already selected, so W cannot be selected, and C is selected, so Z cannot be selected. So only X and Y can play, so answer is 2, that is B. Okay, it is nonsense crap, so just focus on this. There are 7 of them. Rohit, Tanya, Shobha, Kaushal. Okay, Rohit and Tanya will not work together, so eliminate all these options. Okay, so I can see Tanya and Rohit here. I can see Tanya and Rohit here. So only A or C remains. Kunal and Shobha will not work together. So Kunal and Shobha gone. So answer is C. You don't need to do anything whatsoever. 5 people are seated around a round table. So it's very simple. C is seated next to A. So let's say C is there. So next to C is A. B is not seated next to A is seated 2 seats from D. So you leave this seat. Then here is either D, which is star marked because it is not a fixed position, or D can be here, which is again star marked. Since there are 5 people, you can close the chain. Now B is not seated next to A, so either B is here or B is here. So automatically only one place remains, it is for E. So now see, D is seated next to B, so obviously if D is here then B is here, or D is here then B is here. So first assumption is correct. E is seated next to A. E is obviously seated next to A, so both of them are correct. Answer is C. A and B, so just write like this: A, B, C, D. A play football, okay. A play cricket, okay. Now see, A play basketball and A play football. Now come to B. B play football, B play hockey. Okay, now come again to B. B play cricket and B play hockey. Is that understood? B plays football, cricket and hockey. Football, cricket and hockey. Now come to C. C plays cricket, C plays hockey, and C plays hockey and C plays basketball. And finally come to D. D plays basketball, D plays football, and D plays hockey. So who does not play hockey? Answer is A. Very, very simple, because A does not play hockey. Who plays football, basketball and hockey? Football, basketball and hockey. Answer is D. And finally, which game do B, C, D and play? So answer again is hockey. Answer is B. Now Geeta is older than her cousin Meena. Okay, so Geeta is older than Meena and Bipin is older than Geeta. Okay, so this is age wise. Okay, now when Meena and Bipin visit Geeta, they like to play chess. Okay, Meena wins more games than Geeta. So while playing chess with Geeta and Meena, Bipin often loses. So this is absolutely wrong. Bipin is not mentioned. Geeta is oldest among the 3. Wrong. Meena is the youngest of the 3. Answer is correct. So answer is D. So Guys, I hope you like the video. For regular updates on these video, follow me on Facebook and subscribe to an academy. And this is the URL, facebook.com/romansani.official. You can also tweet to me at my Twitter handle @romansani. Do hit the thumbs up button and comment for any query. Do spread the word as much as you can. Thank you for watching the video. Have an awesome day.